On today's episode of Sam the Builder, we start painting the floors. Jeff's currently running tape around the edges of the skirt board, I think is what it's called. And we're gonna be primering this entire side of the shop and hopefully getting some paint down today. I am beyond excited to be able to get some actual paint on the floor. We've been talking about it for ages, we've been working very hard at it, and it's finally time. We're doing mainly this side because there's not really any wet concrete there whatsoever. I think that this side here probably needs a bit longer to set and dry. Full 48 hours is probably more recommended than just painting straight over this. Although I'm sure it wouldn't really hurt that much because we'd be using the sealer which would lock it all in, but still nonetheless, we're not going to rush it. I also just fixed up a really deep hole that was there too, so a few little places I missed here and there. There was another section up in the back corner here. And this extra home center we went to today actually had the correct cement I was wanting from the get-go, so it's kind of just like, damn it. Anyways, we're gonna get started, start primering the floors. Next clip you'll see is both of us with rollers, and we're gonna hit everything on this side. Should be pretty good. Let's get this stuff poured in. I love that popping sound. Probably going to use an entire container of this on just this section here. Yummy. Look at that sealer. Oh yeah. All right, that's mine. Let's get yours situated now, Jeff. And then it's ready, set, go. Oh, it looks even worse than the black one. Black one, you can really see its color. Get to town. All right. So this is just to kind of like glue down the dust, I guess. Ooh, yeah. Drink that up, roller. Don't get it on your hands either. It's literally like super glue. Trust me. Okay, maybe there's a bit too much in this roller. All right. I'm gonna keep rolling this out, get it all the way up to the edges of the building. Cuba, let biscuit go! Biscuit. All right, we're gonna put the camera down, maybe time lapse this, but get the floor all sealed up, ready to go. All right, so a little bit of an update here for you guys. Look how insane the floors look with this sealer on. Crazy. Nice. Yeah, it does smell pretty good. You can feel a little bit high. Not too. Oh wow, it is actually really strong in this corner.
I laid it on a little thick in that.
A little thick in that corner? Hey man, it probably needs it. It's actually pretty difficult to lay it on because there's so many like little holes and imperfections in the cement. You gotta really push it in. But it's going in pretty well. We're just gonna do the rest of this side and then we'll let it dry for a bit. We may even start doing like this kind of section up the back here as well. Might as well try and do as much as we can since we're here. I am mega hyped. This looks so good already, and it hasn't even got paint on it. This is just like the sealer, and it's just changed how good the floors look. So finished putting down the primer sealer on this side. I'm gonna let this dry. It takes 2 to 3 hours for everything to cure. I was gonna try and put paint down tonight, but I think with what time it is now, we might as well just go and hang out with some friends at Daikoku PA. But this is done, which means first thing tomorrow morning when I come here, I can put paint down on this. And then while that's drying, I can start working on, I've got to sweep and clean up over the concrete spots here and stuff. And then I can start priming from this corner and this side and like work my way through. And that way we'll probably be able to, tomorrow I think, we may be able to get 2 coats down on this side on paint and maybe 1 coat on paint on, like, if I section off the workshop from, like, let's just say in the middle here straight across to there, I should be able to have this side primed and at least 1 coat on tomorrow. Just trying to like take my time though. I definitely don't want to rush this. Like, this is obviously like, I want to spend a bit of time, make sure the floors, like, we do the best job we can with what we have. But hopefully by start of next week, we're gonna have all the floors painted and ready for me to start bringing cars in here. We can get the hoist ordered and all that other kind of stuff. So man, so exciting. It's still very fumey in here. I'm actually like, I've been standing outside trying to breathe oxygen because the fumes are kind of crazy. About to roll into Daikoku PA, boys. Time warping ahead a little bit, I know. Just kind of packed up at the shop, chilled there for a bit, and jumped in the car and started heading here ASAP. That's it. It's hard to see, but like, it's down in there, if you can kind of see that. It's really cool how these like highways like all wrap around it and stuff. Anyways, once we get down there, we'll see what cars are there. We're definitely here pretty early. It's not packed whatsoever yet, but there's still some nice cars here. The best thing about it being quiet right now is we get to get a really good park. Yes, Georgia the premium, nice and hot. Let's get one of those into me. It's been a while since we've done some ASMR at the PA, hasn't it, boys? Yeet. Been doing a lot of, I don't think I've missed ASMR at all in like the last 3 or 4 videos. Oh, I nearly selected the wrong coffee. Whew, whew, whew. Let's do this, lads. For the boys, sorry, for the lads and ladettes. Oh yeah. Yeah, this is good. Nice and hot. Right by the fountain, hey boys? That underglow fountain. Focus cannon, you can do it. Oh, that was a good one. That was definitely a good one. That's where it's at. This should be thumbnail. If only that would get clicks. I'm like 99% sure that this is Roab's truck. I seriously bump into this guy at the most randomest places. It's got an S13 Vet on there. This is totally Roab's truck. It is. Oh, it's got an S15 dash. Look at that. It's kind of cool. You don't really see many S13 convertibles anymore. I like that. Wait, it's a 1VIA? Yeah, 180SX front end. Interesting. There you go. So let's go for a little walk and have a look what's here. I think we should start over here. Got 3 JZX100s in this section. 2 Chasers here. And a Mark II there. This one's like, it's technically a toucher, but it's got real life idols on here. It's kind of weird. One day I'm gonna do that, like just embarrass the hell out of my wife. I'll put like her face all over the side of my car. It'll be hilarious. Oh look, he's even got them here. Cool. There's a Origin rear bumper, I think. This thing's kind of clean, really nice. I love his number plate, 123. Nice, really clean. And we got this one over here, Labyrinth on the bottom. Not gonna lie, these have really been growing on me. Chasers, like, I mean, obviously, like, I never really was like super big into them. Like, ever since I got that one up at Ebisu, like, they've just been growing on me. Mark IIs are probably my least favorite. I prefer a Cresta over a Mark II. It's got Team Reverse sticker. Nice. Well, reverse knuckle sticker, sorry. There's a whole bunch of Civics here, the new kind, all up here as well. There's a really nice CRX2. We got 2 Altezas there, next to an old Crown, I think. Not too bad. Some cars that just shouldn't belong here at all. No, I'm joking. Some couple Alphas. I hear that these are like the worst cars to work on. I've never looked under the hood on one though. All right, so I want to do a quick walk by. We got this CRX up here, nice yellow, some black RPF ones by the looks of it. Nice, nice. And then kind of, this is like also the lineup of like all new Civics. Love the advance sticker, it's kind of nice. New Civic, new Civic, new Civic, S660. These things are a fun little car. Hey, always Miata, boys, always Miata. Or Roadster. Ooh, how did we miss the S15 next to the Lotus? It's nice. Clean. Looks like it's NA. Do I see a side intercooler there? Actually, there is a side intercooler. Not too bad. This is a pretty nice looking NA. Workmeisters, little baby boys. Not too bad. Some Datsun Sunnies up here. Okolska. Old Lotus. Datsun Sunny station wagon there. These are clean as. Very nice. Okolska's beautiful. Very cool. These old Lotuses like such a weird kind of body. Like the front looks sick, but then the rear, like, cause it's kind of odd. A-series. Such a tiny, cute engine. Tomei valve cover too. Very cool. Nice. Another Sunny. RX-8. So the Euro R. Subaru. What is that? Evo? Can't really tell. And then a 32. Not bad. It's pretty empty still. It's definitely going to get a lot busier as the night goes on, that's for sure, but yeah, not a bad little turnout. It's still really early, so there's a lot to happen. A lot of people ask me if undercover cop cars exist in Japan. That's an undercover cop car. They're on all the highways, they've got all the internal radar stuff, and they have this little like flap in the roof, and they like flip a thing, and then like the little light just comes straight up in the middle of the roof. So Jeff, putting you on the spot here, if you could take 2 cars home from this car lot today, what would it be? Oof! You got 10 seconds.
Gosh, dude, you're killing me. That S15 that was
3, 2, 1, go. 2 cars.
I want that 33.4.
Okay, that's, yeah, all right, that's fair. And
then I will take that Skyline over there, that old school.
oh, the Hokolska? Yeah, okay, good choice. I'm surprised you didn't pick that first though.
Nah, bro, come on. 33.4, you don't see that every day.
That's true, you don't. Looks like the police are patrolling through right now. See the lights flashing over there. But I'm about to head home, get a little bit of an early start on editing tonight. I've been staying up way too late the last few days, so time to catch up and get back into routine and help me out with some housework. But yeah, still pretty good turnout. It's still really early. If I hanged out here longer, because it's obviously a Friday night, things are pumping way until late, like early like morning hours. Like this place will still be pumping at 3, 4 a.m. I highly recommend whenever you guys get out to Japan when the travel restrictions lift that you just chill here for like a Friday night. Winter's not the best though because it's so cold, not too many people come out. But yeah, definitely like in summer and stuff, like there'll be even like food trucks in here sometimes. It's so much fun. Anyways, I'm gonna jump into Skyline, we're gonna head home, boost this smoky girl. So much oil this thing's consuming right now. But yeah, pick it up when we get home. Just got back to my JDM space here at home, and just got back to my JDM space here at home with my wife. Are you in the JDM space?
Yeah, I'm in my JDM. Yeah.
Just got back to my JDM space here at home with. Are you from the JDM space? Are you from? Yeah. Yeah.
My parents are JDM, so JDM space. So I'm also JDM space.
Wait, so does that mean I'm in the JDM space because I'm married to you and you're in the JDM space? Because like I've been wanting to get in the JDM space for the longest time. and I was really hoping that this would do that. But seriously guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I know it was a little bit of a short one. Jeez, this is really hard to wear. But still, we got a lot done. I'm ready tomorrow. We're putting paint on the floor finally. Floor gang. Oh! Do it. Oh! Oh my gosh, so much cringe. I've tried to film this clip so many times. Tomorrow, paint's going on the floor. It's gonna be sick. If anyone is watching and you know someone who does graffiti art and lives close to me in Tokyo, around Yokohama, on any of the American bases, I want to pay someone to do some really cool artwork in my JDM Space workshop. So DM me on Instagram, show me your, like, some of your previous work, and let me know your rates. Let's get something cool on that wall. But anyways, that aside, thanks for watching guys. Smash that like button, write a comment and subscribe, and I will see you all in tomorrow's video. You really like those beanies, don't you? JDM Space beanies coming soon. Peace out, John.